So you must be wondering, what mutual fund is right for you as an investor? This really depends on your goals as an investor and the time horizon of these goals. So, are you saving for your higher education, your child's education, a vacation somewhere down the line, or something else? Depending on these goals and how long it might take to get there, you can pick the right fund for you. The next factor is your risk appetite as an investor. So, are you someone that's seeking higher returns at higher risk? In that case, opt for equity funds. Equity investing is riskier than debt investing. This is because an equity fund invests in an underlying equity which is subject to market conditions. Also, when a company goes bankrupt, if it does, then equity investors are paid last. The initial returns go to their bondholders. With debt mutual funds, you can be more certain of your returns, but they just won't be as high in the rosiest conditions.